Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Khrystina, and if you guys are interested or need some inspiration for Valentine's Day looks, then you've came to the right place. I'm going to be doing this eye look with you guys and these lips. So if you're interested to see how I got here, then stay tuned and I got you guys covered. Alrighty you guys, so let's get started on this look that I have no clue what I want to do. I know I want to do something for Valentine's Day, but I don't know what. I also don't know. So a lot of people are doing a lot of pinks, reds. This is different for me. I know exactly what kind of look I want to do when I turn on the camera. Ooh, I have this infinity stick that's pink. The only thing is I don't want to do pink. I know there's so many. All the other pretty ones to make eyeshadow look. Sorry. So that should be enough for my lids. I'm going to go ahead and use my finger, spread it out. I'm going to use the Beauties warm brown palette. I'm going to take this little peachy color over here. Put this peachy color into our crease. I also want to put this on my outer corner and my inner corner. The same Alright, so my battery died and you guys actually missed me doing the brown from the Huda Beauty palette. I took this brown down here in the outer V part, and I'm also going to do the exact same thing in the inner part with that same color on a tapered blending brush. I'm just going to place that into the inner part of my eye. So basically everything that we're doing to the outer, we're doing to the inner. That going. I want to go back in with my concealer and I want to make a nice clean slight crease right here. You guys know how the new trend look is to have a nice clean crisp line in there, which is crazy because a couple years ago nobody would make what dead with like straight crisp lines for eyeshadow looks, but that shows you how trends change. Alrighty, so now that we're looking slightly crazy, we're going to go in with the last color, I think, which is going to be our NYX Infinity Shadow Stick in the color Rose. Oh wait, no, it's not in the color. Actually, no, it's not in the color Rose, it's in the color Sweet Pink. I'm just going to put that in the center of my eyes, and I'm going to try and be really careful and to keep it into this little clean shape that I have created here. Alright, so this is not coming up on my eyes at all. Yes, no, this is not working on my eyes at all. I can get it like warmed up on my hand and a little color on my hand, but it's not trying to color into my eyelid. So, now we have to do something different for the center of our eyes. Alright, so I'm going to use the Urban Decay Recharge, what is this, Liquid Moon Dust eyeshadow, and this has a little peaky type color to to it since the shadow stick is not working. That looks like it needs like another color added in, honestly. Okay, let's look at what we got. I need like a base color or something. White chocolate bar. This is what happens when you don't plan your lookout. I'm gonna go in with my finger and I'm gonna go into the raspberry rose color. And I'm gonna tap that on top of it. I still want it to be pink, but it just looked like it was missing something. That little sharp line look that I was trying to create, I don't think it's gonna happen anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down. First on this side, I'm gonna go back on the other side and add some more of these. I'm gonna add some more of the Urban Decay color. Alrighty, so now that I've done this, I just want to highlight my corner a little bit. So, I actually don't know how I want to do this face palette. And I'm going to take Eyeman right here. Alright, so I know exactly what color highlighter I want to use. I'm going to use the Rihanna Fenty highlighter. I'm going to use this one right here, which is with this pink look or do a pink look. Well, actually, see, I'm going to try the L'Oreal metallic lip paint. I tried this on New Year's for my lip look and it was too much with the glitter lips, the metallic lips. It was too much. So let's try it again with this look and see what happens. This one is in the color Moonlust. Back in with this L'Oreal metallic lip paint. I am liking this. I had no plans for the beginning of this, but I like this. I'm just going to go ahead and put my eyelashes on. And we're done. I just bought the faux mink Ardell eyelashes in the shade 811, which is not the shade, the style 811. Love the faux mink line by Ardell. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I actually really like this look, surprisingly. I feel like this isn't something that I would normally wear, I don't think, but I really do like this look. Alright you guys, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me, and go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos of me. But not yet. If you guys are also interested in seeing like what I ate today videos and more like lifestyle vlog videos, maybe, you can go ahead and click this button over here and you can go ahead and subscribe to my new channel, which will be more a day-to-day routine, kind of, sort of. I don't really know how to explain it, but it'll be here for you guys to check out. I think it's on this side. I'm gonna do one of these sides where every little invitation cards pop out. I really feel like this here. Right here. I think they come up here. I think they do. So go ahead and click there. But until next time, you guys, I will see you all in my next video.